Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to send funds from Greenlight to Cash App. It's very easy thing to do. For this, first open your Cash App from your device. After opening the device, log into your account. From now, select the profile icon from the top right. Now in the profile section, scroll down a little bit. Now here you will see an option linked banks. Tap on it, then tap on link debit card. Then you have to put your green card debit card number, month and CVV. Then tap on link card. Then go back to the home page, and from here select the bank icon from here. Now select add money from here. Then after tap on add money, now put the amount, how much you want to add from your green card. Then tap on add, and that's it. Your money will be added to Cash App from your green card, and that's how you can add funds from green card to your Cash App.